Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether y'all are watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we have kind of a mystery unboxing from a shipping department. So I'm not sure who sent this out, but we'll take a look at it. Real quick, first I want to say thank you to all the channel members who support the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you for anyone who even comes in to take the time to watch my content, to check out my knives, my EDC gear, whatever I happen to be showing. I know time is valuable and I appreciate you more than you know. If you're so inclined and you haven't had a chance yet, I beg you, if you would, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. It really helps me out. And it'll keep you updated when I unbox new items and have things go live. You'll be notified. So today, I'm going to take my Amazon balisong with a razor blade, and I'm going to cut into this. We're going to see what we got. The Kizer, guys. We have got a Kizer. And this is the Banish Jacob Lundquist little button lock. Very cool. Kizer sent this to me to check out, and I appreciate that. As you guys might or might not know if you follow the channel, I'm kind of a Jacob Lundquist fan. I have the, when I do the review on this is just an unboxing. I've got the slip joint, the little Vanish, and then I've got the variant PE, the titanium. So we'll take a look at how it compares, but my understanding is it's going to look like that little knife. Let's see here. Whoops. You got some Kizer stickers. What's that say? Action for Dream, I guess that's the drop bear. K Cares, Kizer Cares, 2024. There you go. And then you got your little pack of Kizer swag. Let's see how this has changed. I haven't opened one of these in quite a while. You got your Kizer cloth, little Kizer gear, information, stuff on the lines. So that's very cool, very, very cool. And then we've got our knife. And extra hardware. Look at that. That's kind of a new pleasantry I wasn't expecting. And then we've got a little troll candy in here with our knife. And we've got this little Vanish size. When I say Vanish, it looks like the size of the little slip joint. Get that out of the way. And let's look at this little guy. So, an odd little knife, sway back kind of body with a very unique blade. Perfectly centered. Really nice micarta. I don't know if y'all can tell the texture of that. It's got a little front flipper. We'll front flip it first. Snaps open. You got the Banish on the logo, little Lundquist stamp, Kizer, 14C. Feels very sharp. We have to cut paper. Alright guys, from the factory, it is very sharp. Looks like it would be a fantastic little package opener, little slicer, Sorry guys, I tranced out because it is very sharp. It has a point that's really close to the ground or to your cutting surface. And it's got a very acute point. So even though it's a Wharncliffe that doesn't look as pokey as some of the other Wharncliffes, it is very pokey. So, let's see how the flick is. I don't do spine whack tests usually. On button locks, I'll do it just to appease everybody. Because I think of a knife, a locking knife, is yes, it locks, yes, it's a convenience, but how am I going to actually use the knife, and where is that going to come in to be a play to where it's, you know, going to be a problem for me? You've got steel liners, no weight relief, which it doesn't need. It's running on bearings. You've got really nice, I guess you'd call this crosscut micarta. Looks pretty thick. A couple of standoffs, and then the little button lock, which is a unique choice for a lock, but I think it works well. The blade's very light, so when I push the button, I'm getting no button stick. It's just you've got to tilt it to get it to fall, or give it a little momentum to get that blade moving. But guys, I'm interested to really try this out. I can't ever do that move. I think I'm scared because I've jammed a knife in my hand so many times trying to do this. So I'm just not going to try to do that. So we've got a front flipper, which you guys know, my least favorite way to open a knife, but I do try them out for you. But what attracts me to it is it looks just like my Banish PE, or my variant PE. Looks just like my little Banish. The blade hole is to die for. Let me see if I can get real quickly to the Banish to see what the size difference is. Again, this is not a review. I'll let you guys go right after this, but I'm very curious. It looks like it's just about the same size. So here is the slip joint Banish that is a Jacob Lundquist, and the slip joint's actually smaller. So it'll be interesting to compare these with the other Jacob Lundquist knives that I've got in this style. But I'm really stoked to have this little guy, and I'm glad and stoked that Kizer sent it out to me. I will put in the description a link to Kizer's site where this knife can be picked up. I do have an affiliate link with Kizer now. I'll put it in there, but you can look for it anywhere. You don't have to use the affiliate link. If you want to help the channel and you do use the affiliate link, great. If not, no worries. I'll also leave an affiliate link for my little EDC razor that I've started to use. I've got another titanium knife I ordered off of Amazon, the flipper, but since I've gotten in this little balisong, which I've never been into balisongs, this one I've kind of enjoyed because you hold the handle that doesn't have the lock on it, and you're not going to hit the blade because that's what backs up to here. And also I got to play with it by taking the blade out. It's got the same weight, so it's kind of like a trainer, and it's got a little pry bar. Anyway, I'll put a link to that too. Guys, I will carry this for a few days, use it probably as a 5th pocket carry knife, probably forego my slip joint for a while, or maybe my little fixed blade, and let you guys know what I think. I'll give you kind of my early first impressions. I think it's really cool. But I'm one that likes this style, this design. It's very subjective to if it's your taste or not. But I can tell you the action's crisp. The size is good. Let's look at it. Again, not a review, but just to give you an idea. Sharpie. It's about the same size as the Civivi Baby Banter. So guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this unboxing. I hope you found it interesting. Let me know what you think about this little knife. Cool to see Kizer and Jacob come together on it. And thank you, Kizer, for letting me check it out. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for being here. I ask you, please, keep an eye out for the guy or gal to your left. Keep an eye out for the guy or gal on your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. And choose to bait, not hate. Be up. I love y'all. Peace.